Hey guys, I'm Syed Zaid Farooq and today I'm going to review the Neo Sapion Neo 1. This is the first version of theirs from the company. So you can become a superhuman as per the company claims. So let's see how good it is. It's basically a bracelet which you can wear and you can actually keep all your memories, all your conversations inside your phone basically. So that is what the company claims. And I've also installed the application. Where is my phone? It's over here. I've also installed the application which is available on Play Store. It's called Neosapien, where you get to see this kind of interface, right? Let me quickly unbox this. This is how the box looks. Okay, so you can just open it. Let me just keep this over here, and ta-da! There we go. You have a QR code scanner. I take it as it basically redirects you to, I think, Play Store. Maybe, I don't know. Let me just try that. Let's see where this QR code takes you. So it's basically taking you to a YouTube link.
So let's unbox together.
Where there is an unboxing again. So let's not watch this. Instead, you watch my video. No, I'm just kidding, guys. So let's unbox this, as the video says. Okay, so here we have the device itself. Let me just quickly open it. So I don't see any major cost cutting here. The box is really nice. The packaging, everything is really cool. It looks very premium. Even this feels premium. This is a fiber body, what you have. Even the front, I think this is metallic, the front portion of it. And I am expecting this should give you that light over here. Let's see what else is there in the box. Let me just keep it here. If you could see, this is the device itself, right? And you have a user manual, of course. Anybody would give that. And you have a chain box, which basically has a chain so that you can wear it in your neck, right? So let me just quickly open the chain. Let's see how good the quality of chain is. It's not a silver chain though. It's pretty decent. The quality looks nice. It's heavy. It's not very lightweight. I'm not sure about the grams. I'm not really good with the weight so much. So yeah, badhiya yaar. So you don't have to actually take it out. It goes directly in, I feel. So this is how you actually wear it. But in order to put the locket inside this, I might have to remove it and put it in this. Whoops, I'm so sorry. So what is that supposed to do basically? So it's basically supposed to remember whatever you can't remember. I think I have to gift it to my wife because she almost forgets everything. Let me just... Oh, this looks cool. Does it look cool? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And you also have a cable in the box. Let me see how good the quality of the cable is. It's a braided cable. It is of really good quality. There is no cost cutting in terms of quality especially, right? They have given a very nice braided type C to C cable inside the box, which is pretty cool. And I'm pretty impressed about that. Okay, so the moment okay, it started scanning. I mean, I just wore it. There is no button to turn it on, so I don't know how to turn it on. Let me just check. So it's basically scanning the device. I'm not sure how it's going to find it out. I don't know if I have to connect to a charger. Is it already charged? I have no idea about that. So let's see. So guys, if you could see, I just connected it to the charger because I thought it doesn't have any charge. Yeah, there we go. Once I connected it to the charger, it got connected to my phone. You could see this is how it looks. The user interface is really awesome. If you see, it has very nice color, especially in the ammo LED display. It looks so good. I loved it almost. Yeah. So there is an update it's asking for. Anyways, I'll do that later. You can also ask Neo. Let's say it feeds from your memories, right? It listens to every single conversation you have and it feeds it completely. Just like a notebook LM, it works. It basically answers your question based on your conversation earlier, so which is fantastic. It's going to work like Jarvis from Iron Man. Okay, so there we have it. So it's in active mode now. It is listening to whatever I'm talking. So hey Neo, I'm actually talking to you. I'm actually recording your review video. So I hope it's going to be amazing. Okay, so let's see. There's also memories here. So as of now, it's not showing any memory. Let me go to the profile. Here you have voice profile, which is not yet set up. It is going to recognize my voice, I think. I'm not sure. I'll definitely add another video where I'll just do a usage review. Basically, I'll tell you guys how good it is in terms of usage once I actually use it for maybe a week at least, right? So you have voice profiles here, you have device details. So you can see the battery percent is 8, and you also have a firmware version details here. There's a custom dictionary. I don't know how that works, and there is a lot of things here. And now I think it's actually listening to whatever I'm talking, which is pretty fantastic. Let me know how good is the device. If you guys have used it already, I'm not sure. It's been quite some time since it has already launched. So currently, let me just keep it on charge, and definitely I will come up with another video where I'm actually giving you a complete brief about my usage of this particular device. And meanwhile, to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon, and see you in the next video, guys.